For question 3a, you should first start with finding the total interior angles. So using this formula, we add in 10 as n because it has 10 sides. So your answer will be 1440. Now, since that this is a regular decagon, which is a polygon with 10 sides, we can divide it by 10, which equals to 144. After that, using the knowledge that 180 is a straight line, we take this and minus this. Therefore, your answer will be 36. Now, moving on to question 3b. Using the working from the above, we already have found this answer, which is 144. Now moving on to question 8. Using the information from the question, which is 230 km and 18.5 liters, we divide this by this, which will get us 12.4. Therefore, the km per liter is 12.4. Moving on to question 7. To multiply by the factor of 2, first we find the distance between the point of enlargement and the shape. Then we connect it with using a ruler, connecting both points like this. And since the distance between both of this is 2 blocks, we will make this line 4 blocks long. Then we do the same on the other side. Next, you will take the measurements from this shape and enlarge it. So for example, if this is 2 blocks, this will be 4 blocks, and if this is 4 blocks long, this will be 8 blocks long. Unfortunately, my grid is not big enough, so I will be drawing outside the grid. Now they ask us to find the point A of the enlarged shape. So naturally it is over here. So therefore, the point of A is on 12.5. Moving on to question 7b, we will have to find point A when this shape is rotated 90 degrees. So just using common sense, I do this. And point A should be over here. So the answer is 5.1. On to question 17. Now, using this formula, what divided by the number of hours equals to 1 hour. This number n, you would take your distance and divide it by that number. So 3 hours divided by 3 equals to 1. So therefore, you have to take 180 divided by 3. Your answer will be 60 km/h. Now, do the same for journey B. So 2.5 divided by 2.5 equals to 1. So therefore, we take 140 divided by 2.5, which will result in 56 km/h. What times the number of minutes equals to 1 hour? Journey C. 2 times 0.5 equals to 1 hour. So therefore, we have to take 2 times 30. Your answer will be 60 km/h. 10 minutes. If you take 6 times 10, you will result in 60 minutes, which is 1 hour as well. So therefore, you have to take 6 times 10, also equals to 60 km. The odd one out is journey B.